Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today bengifuna ukwenza i-review e-EP ephumile kaMahu, but le EP inengoma nje ezimbalwa. I think zo-8 if I'm not mistaken, but angifuna ukufocus kuzona zonke. Ngifuna ukufocus kule ngoma kuyiyona engihlaba umxhwele ngithintile ingoma efeaturishe uMthandeni igcokamelisha lapha. Igama le ngoma ibiza ngoWethu. So i-EP iphume ngeviki edlule ibizwa amazwi okubonga lapha ne-word of thanks mhlampe mawuthi ulo muntu wesilungu osanda kakhulu, but ke ngizofocusa kule ngoma because ngizwe ngathi izothatha amabhinqa ewafaka endaweni ezikude lapha mhlampe nawo Ibiza ko Spain lapha because i-afro tape i-3 step le ngoma. So uma nami ngithe mangilalela i-EP bengilindele ukuthi mhlampe ngizoza ingoma zamapiano, but actually utarget i-audience e-3 step. So uMthandeni ke nathi kule ngoma izomthatha imfake entweni, imfake emaklabhini, imfake kulezi ndawo lezi zo Black Coffee obani la Koshimza lezo Ibiza, lezi ndawo zabelungu nje eshala ama festival agxile kakhulu abantu abafocus kakhulu ku Afro Tech. So I think amabhinga ngempela azongena lapha ko Ibiza ngobani. So I think nje ingoma ehlanganiswe kakhulu, and I was shocked ukuthi ngizwe uMthandeni efitha kanje kule sound le e-3 step because ingoma nje uyithathile wayidominator wayenze yakhe and wayenza yamnandi because usually if makusuke artist la kwenye genre leza kwenye njengoba uMthandeni different uma wafika wayenza ingoma maskandi, but azange sound as artist la maskandi lapha. So uMthandeni nje ufika wafisa kwangathi nje naye yabo ukule genre le 3 step. So nje was impressed indlela akayenze ngayo le ngoma, nje ingoma nje epholile ayikho mnandi mhlawumbe ayizuku kuba that big mhlawumbe enza umsindo kakhulu, but ingoma nje mnandi trendy ine vibe. So nje awasephi ukuthi ngimizwe leyo ngoma leyo. I think that is gonna be one of the biggest songs ezoba khona especially emaklabhini, not even like radio nje ishayiwe imnandi ipholile kamnandi. So ayigcokamelisha lapha likhuphuke kakhulu, and when it comes to Mahu I think uyawadeserve ama-flowers akho. When it comes to i-artist versatile likwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe litaphe into other genres because una umsebenzi akawenza before Afro Tech, una umsebenzi wamapiano, usenawo ama-features amaskandi, and right now she's killing it la ku-3 step. I think nje i-artist esemesineza ama-flowers eMzansi because italent lakhe lithomba kakhulu, especially even ama-vocals. Le ngoma ngithe mangizwa ukuthi no, okay actually Mahu can sing because mina nje saqala Mahu bengithi no mhlambe ushaya ama-gimmicks na just like ama-artists amapiano amaningi. So I think nje leyo ngoma leyo no ihlangene kakhulu. Angasithola isikhathi esanele mhlawumbe ulalele i-EP yonke, but ngibonile zikhona ezinye ingoma ezino-sax khona nje nengoma, and i-sound yakhe i-sound as because most of the song ephume this is i-3 step zenziwe uJezwick benothukuthela. So ingoma eningi sezine sound efanayo, so ngathi ziyafana. So leya Mahu ithe ukuhluka because usebenze no producer aba different, iyona into engibe happy mangilalela na, but ingoma nje ngiphuma nayo yiyo lethi Wethu. And ne message yakhona lapha khona ulana show uMthandeni lapha usike imali ayibe khona, and imali mayiba khona nesithemba sibe khona. So nami nje ngumuntu omZulu cha ngimzuleke lapho, angifuni uxela kakhulu, but lakho imali mayiba khona ngempela nami ngithi hayi nesithembu asibe khona. So sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Nawe, ku-Facebook Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Instagram Speaker Nawe, na ku-TikTok Speaker Nawe, we just join uTwitch Speaker Nawe nakhona. Mhlawumbe mawufuna uketch up kuma sound you can go to Audiomack or you can go to SoundCloud, nakhona search Speaker Nawe. You can even go to Twitter and just search #Speaker Nawe. It's everywhere. Away we out.